Moo! Okay. Welcome back to a new upcoming video. This is one of the biggest updates ever. Because I actually like this update. Can you go show them to me? So, we're basically going to go show you everything. And then we're going to go to the new mappy.
Let's go.
Don't listen to him. Yeah. While Timmy's over there, they added this, I would say, my favorite part of this update. Because right here, you can do quests to get, it's basically like a battle pass, basically. So like, you can get, nuts from it, you can get items, research points, hats, skins, animal company coins. And I think it's pretty cool. And down here, I'm guessing, is where you get the HP is basically the XP for the, you know, these things. And this VIP right here, you get for $6,000. Gets you the Galaxy grapple hook.
Adam,
And it gives you this laser blaster right here. That's right here. But if you don't have that, you get this thing. So we're gonna go to the new map now, right, Timmy? Oh well, we'll see you there. I'm gonna jump into this thing. We're here. We gotta go up this zip line, but you know, me and Timmy aren't gonna pass that. Shut up.
We are Sigma.
They added the rocket back. Right, Timmy? Timmy, you
Yeah.
suck. This is our first time on this right now.
Exploded.
Timmy.
Oh, my God.
Timmy. Timmy, don't go up there. No. Timmy. Timmy. No. Just get me up there.
What the heck?
Yo, what is this?
Whoa!
Timmy, what'd your grandpa do?
He ate the whole place and slaves.
Timmy, what is this?
Yo!
Yo, this is beef.
Ah!
Yeah, I think there's nothing down there. I'm guessing we go up here.
Bro,
Oh, right here.
I'm going to poop.
Why is there a random toilet here? Why is there an MIRE in there? And why does it sound weird around here? Sounds weird. I don't like that. Oh, wow. Sir? Is anyone in here? Timmy, I don't even like this place anymore. I'm going the other way.
Yeah.
Timmy. Armstrong? It was not just me that heard that, right, Timmy? What is your woofy at? Timmy!
It's a mimic!
That is not the mimic, bro. Get away from that thing.
What is that?
Get away from that thing.
It's ugly. He's fat and ugly.
Timmy!
Where the heck do we go?
This guy is not nice.
It's mine.
Oh, it's mine. Timmy, that guy is not nice.
Yeah.
He's up there. Wait, can you laser him?
Let's see.
Right there, right there. Timmy, run!
What the heck?
Oh, that was nice. Okay.
Bro, this guy is so strong. Fool.
Timmy, take your flashlights. Yeah, guys, if you don't know, Timmy's broke now. Shut
Boy,
up. Lost all his money into a bet. He tried to get free McDonald's.
boy,
Come on, Tim, let's go.
I'm trying to fucking do
Yeah.
something. Where's that flashlight?
You can go buy your own flashlights.
Boy, I broke you.
Maybe don't spend your money on RPGs then. Boy, get yo. Okay, I'm gonna go in there without Timmy. Because Tim is being rude. Okay. Get up. Little bro. Oh my gosh, Timmy, hurry up! Oh, what are you doing? This is what this guy be doing when I'm not here. Okay, I'm gonna go on without Tim. Oh. Oh. I like that spaceship. No, I mean UFO. Oh, what's his tire? It is not really friendly in here. I just realized that. It's multiple ways. Gosh! I just loaded it! It's pink. Offline? Don't mind if I do. I don't care if it's offline. Is there even a way to kill that guy? There's no... Oh, there's no way. Wait, we're here. I don't want to deal with the Ooga Booga Man anymore. Oh, we're gonna have to go deal with the Ooga Booga Man. Waiting for Timmy.
I'm nothing.
Yo, this guy's sound effects are not like really.
He's fat.
It's kind of mean.
Yeah.
I didn't even know there was a toilet in there.
For real. Big fat toy. It's hard for me to grab this. Drop down.
I'm trying to jump.
Open.
Oh my gosh, I thought I got scared for a second. I thought it was him. Timmy, I think we go the other way. You sure he's not here?
What is that?
Don't know. Just go test it. What the what?
I'm taking this.
This guy really said. This guy's scared me!
The guy really camping, that's crazy. Oh, imagine I leave. Whoa, this guy camping! This guy can't get us.
Yeah, you can't get us. Wow. Bro took that
What? That's
personally. You should go in there.
Birds on top. What is
Do a
this?
little beanhead. Let me check my bag. Oh yeah. Yo, let's go. Come on. He's crawling. Go. Timmy, you died.
School bus. School
Shut
bus.
up. Dang it, what? Who is this guy?
What?
He is literally Spider-Man!
He's gone.
We can't even get to. We can't even get through this guy, bro. He's on the
But
egg.
this guy is so invisible.
He's invincible and invincible.
Oh, double invisible for. I got this block.
Bro's in an invincible wobbly in it, I swear.
Down.
Ah! Come on, let's go. Come on, let's just rush.
I'm not going in there.
Here, take this then.
I have a block.
Take this then. Ah!
My swift
I'm not scared of you, monkey.
you fatty.
Oh, ah.
Where is this guy?
Run! Ah! Wait, go. Yo, come on, we gotta go. Come on. Let's go. He's distracted in there. I went to the other area. Yo, this is go in there. Yo, where? This place is so weird. No, there's no monster here. There's no monster here. Timmy, if there was a monster, I would probably be dead by now. Like, I would be going. Oh, you jumped it.
Wait. Oh, you can't open it.
You better. Here, come on, Timmy, let's just go. I'm not dealing with that guy no more. Timmy, there's a door right here. Come on, let's go.
Open. What's in here?
Yo.
What's a gun?
What is that? What is that for? Yo, wait, Timmy, don't go out. No. Timmy, don't get near those. Wait until it closes. Timmy.
Oh, we spawned you. Whoa.
I'm almost there.
Oh.
Timmy, you're absolute doo-doo water at this.
Shut up.
Timmy, what? Somebody's crawling and out like that.
Oh, there's another order. Go.
Yo, is he following us? Timmy, just go right here. Just Timmy, right here. This guy's following us. Timmy, this guy's following us. Timmy.
He is?
Yeah, he's... Timmy. Shut up! This guy's... He's making me mad. I'm about to... You know what I'm about to do? I'm gonna go.
Boy, this guy's strong. This guy's following us.
Yeah, let's just... Yo!
W!
Oh, another box. A box.
Oh, no, box. Box.
Boom, no. Hate that guy!
This guy's... Oh. Following us. This way, bro.
No, it's that way. Wait.
Oh, that one? This way.
Yeah.
This way.
Wait, where are you? Wait, are you sure you're going?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I never opened that door.
Stop whipping me.
Open sesame.
Why is there so
Again?
much doors?
Door by door.
Your music.
Parkour!
Timmy, what was that for?
What?
Bro, this guy is so annoying. Like, bro, shut up. Yo, wait. Timmy. Timmy, it needs a key to get out of here again. Yo, what key? What is in there? Yo, Timmy, there's two rooms. One right there, and then one over there. I think there's three. No, there's two. Yeah, he's here. He's definitely here. This way. Go this way. Cause he's over there. Timmy! Right here.
Let's go.
Oh.
Well, there's nothing in here.
There's nothing really in here. I'm stupid. We have to go to where this stinking guy.
Shut up!
Yo.
He's right there.
That is weird. Yo, wait! Timmy! It's the axolotl.
Oh my. He's freaking dead. He's dead.
Wait, then where's the cat hat? No, where's the cat head? Ooh, we're special. Timmy, come on.
I'm gonna kill them.
Okay, we know.
I'm just kidding. But
Timmy,
no.
over here. Timmy.
Banana! Go.
You go.
Banana! Nothing.
Down here, down here. What is... Oh wait, it's a... No, don't press that. Don't press that. I feel like I have a feeling this guy's gonna hear that and go, Nurr! Timmy! Fuck my butt!
What is guys? What? Let me in. Let me in.
Okay.
I'm gonna fix this. One stop here. Oh, we need three.
Wait, that means we saw the other one. We already got the one down there. We already got the one right here, and then the other one's over there.
Boy, this guy sounds like a pig.
Close it, close it, close it, close it.
Oh, yeah. What's this? What is this?
What is that? Wait, it's a stopwatch.
Let's open.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Can you put this in your bag? I'm not sure if that sound.
Listen. Open sesame.
Why'd you open it?
I bet he's up there. I bet.
Go over there then. Oh! He's right above you. You not see him?
Wait, right there. Go in. Buzz, look, this guy's freaking camping.
You should throw the sword at him.
Dude. Wait, hold on. No.
But if you just like put a cup on this, fuck this. Yo, I don't know what to do, bro. He just can't. Yo, Timmy, we're trapped in here.
10 minutes.
Yo, Timmy, I say we just go full. Timmy, should we just go full? Is he still up there?
Let's go.
He's still there? Oh.
Not sure.
Wait, check if he's still up there.
He's still up there!
Well, this nerd!
Forgive!
I didn't even close it! I didn't even... Oh! Timmy, I got an idea. Maybe don't throw your swords. Hold on, Timmy. Oh. Hold on, keep that door open. Wait, he's gone. He's gone!
Wait, he's gone?
He's gone.
Oh. That's it, wait.
Let's go, go. Just go.
Oh, Jet.
Fuck! Fucking You're so annoying!
I hate this update.
It's only that guy that's ruined this update for me. Yo, wait. Timmy, what is this? Can I grab
How
this?
can he not die?
I don't know.
Both this
Done.
guy's not
Done.
Whoa.
You just. Why is there. You just use
What's
gum?
glowing? I need to
This
collect
reach your
this
point.
book.
Yeah. Timmy,
What?
we're gonna have to finish this update later, probably.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna finish this update later. But,
We are gonna do the quest.
yeah.
Bye bye.
Why is this?
Ah! I am gonna go. You finish the video. Okay?
What? You're not gonna do that.
Oh yeah, I am.
Shut up.
Let's finish the video now.
Okay, we're gonna end this video now because Timmy got mad.
I hate this thing.
We'll give you.
The worst.
Shut up! We're gonna give you more information about the new items that they added. So. What? Stop! Okay, we're gonna see you in the next video. Okay. You know what a better way to end this off?
RPG.
Yeah.
Shooting me, bro.
Okay, come over here to me. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.